Want to make money on YouTube? It's more than just posting videos. YouTube is huge. Over 2 billion people use it every month. But how do you turn your videos into actual cash? Let's explore some ways to make your channel a money-making machine. Making bank. Different ways to earn. There are tons of ways to make money on YouTube. Here are a few. Ads. YouTube pays you when ads run on your videos. This is the most common method. Sponsorships. Companies pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. Product placement. Subtly showcasing a product within your video. Affiliate marketing. You earn a commission when people buy something using your special link. Crowdfunding. Fans can directly support your channel on platforms like Patreon. Merchandise. Sell t-shirts, mugs, or other branded items related to your channel. Creating killer videos. To make money, you need viewers. Here's how to create videos that people will love. Grab attention. Start with a hook that makes people want to keep watching. Stay focused. Keep your videos on topic and easy to follow. High quality. Invest in good sound and lighting. Tell stories. People connect with stories, so weave them into your videos. Interact. Ask questions and encourage comments. Variety. Try different video formats, tutorials, vlogs, challenges, to see what works best. Building your fan base. It's not just about views. It's about building a loyal following. Engage. Respond to comments and interact with your viewers. Be consistent. Post regularly to keep people coming back. Be authentic. Let your personality shine through. Collaborate. Team up with other creators to reach a wider audience. Promote. Share your videos on other social media platforms. Monetizing your channel, big or small. Whether you're a tiny channel or a huge one, there are ways to make money. Smaller channels. Focus on affiliate marketing and building a strong community. Larger channels. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, and potentially merchandise. Important stuff. Quality matters. Don't rush. Create high-quality videos that people will want to watch again and again. Copyright. Avoid using copyrighted material without permission. Demonetization. Know YouTube's rules to avoid getting your videos demonetized. The bottom line. Making money on YouTube is about creating great content, building a loyal fan base, and understanding the different monetization options available. It takes time and effort, but with creativity and dedication, you can turn your passion into profit.